Hi everyone, welcome back. I must apologize, but I suppose it's been a while since I posted a video. Life got in the way. What can you do? And the weather in Ireland is not really reliable, and for myself to do everything outside is not really ideal. Like I said before, I don't have the luxury of Marcus's shed anymore, just because I live in Cork, and he's based up in Monaghan, so you don't really get much time to get up there. So look, all things aside, we'll get going on today's objective. So what I have in store is top mounts. These top mounts are from, let me see if this will focus, from PMC, quite in Poland, I believe. Fairly solid, CNC machined, uniball style. Seems to give a decent amount of camber adjustment. The E36 has been off the road a while, so the weather's getting a little bit better. So I said, you know what, there's one bright day. The sun's going to set the next 2 or 3 hours, so we're going to get rocking on this. We're going to fit these two front top mounts from PMC. And then we are going to Village Tires in Ballincollig. They know their stuff over there, so they're going to set this up for me. What else have I got? And the next thing is an oil change for the 36 as well. I'm going to go with Valvoline 530. Going a grade up. I think I was running 0W60, I believe, before. It wasn't really burning it, but I had to top it up here and there, so I'm going to go a slight grade higher. See how she behaves. But I said I'd go for Valvoline this time. Always treated me well in the past. Kind of moves over to Euroil then, and Euroil is kind of getting expensive again, so Valvoline seems to be the best. Seems to be the best budget-friendly option, and only ever hear good reviews of it. I had Castrol and E36 before, but I'm going to start moving away from that. People have said to me that's piss, so it is what it is, right? And that's really it. What I'm going to do is we will move out to the car now in a minute, and we'll take the shocks out and we'll bring them in here into my lovely garden shed. Right, making the most of the space. Done a bit of tidying up. Nice little stainless steel bench in the back, so it'll give us enough space to take these things apart and get them back onto the car. So yeah, look, I suppose this would be an opportunity to thank everyone that has subscribed to the channel. Massive increase of subscribers. I really appreciate it, guys. I think we're sitting at just under 3,000 subscribers. We have managed to get our fourth stage for the monetization. The last piece that's left now is the watch time hours. So I would really appreciate if you guys would watch these videos to the end. And like and comment on the videos as well, please. And really, please don't forget to subscribe. It is really much appreciated, and it gives this channel a bit of a boost to get out there, you know. So thanks a million, and let's get to it. See, that's the M3 reinforcement plate. Looks pretty good up there. Put that down here. Let's see if we can fish it out through here. And that's it. One shock out. that's one shock out. Raceland coils, they're in there for years and they're still doing the job, so we're going to keep it for another while until we can afford PCs. But this top man is still solid, so there's no play in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat the same on the other side, and then we will take those two shocks into the shed and we'll strip them in there and see how those PMCs will fit. Right, lads, have her in now. Let's see. We can get this. I also unwound this just to take some of the pressure off the spring. I don't know if it was needed or not, but that's that. Okay. What I'll do is we'll clean this up a bit. Wow. Yeah. I know it's probably worth nothing, but that's all we got. Slide that back on here. No, that's absolutely going to do nothing. That is good for nothing. I'm just going to have to take it out. Right, no dust seal. That's that. Slide that back on. Top hat back on. Copper grease. Yeah. Okay. Right, let's take one of these and see. I'm just wondering, is that the right size? Perfect. See? There you are. My concern was that this inner diameter wasn't lining up with the step boss here, but that works pretty good. So on this goes. Okay. It's like sprinkling shit on the gold, but here we are. Okay. Okay. One thing done. We'll rattle that up there once we get it back in the car. But for now, that's one shock done. I will keep that at the middle settings. I will remove these and just copper grease them a little bit just to make sure that they'll come back out again, but other than that, that's fine. It is what it is, but they're old Racelands, they're fine. So we'll see. Right, that's them banged on. Everything is back together. We screwed this back up to its original height. I had it measured out here, 29.5 mil. So we'll do that, and we'll go on to the next shock, and then once that's ready, we'll fit that back onto the car. But that's it for this one. That's pretty much that. We'll tighten these up now in a minute and get them back in the car. It's actually gone dark outside as well, so I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to film from that, but I'll show you the results in the morning, and it's giving 100% rain as typical. So we'll see how far we get on with this. All right, we have them ready. So let's get the shock in. Well guys, this is another day. I ran out of sunlight and I lost some of the footage. My camera kept dying and on and so forth. So this is another day. Couple of bad days of rain again there for a while. So this is another dry day. So I said I'll finish setting up the right height of the car. There was all guesswork when I was putting the coils back in. But yeah, I'll show you what this looks like. And this is the right height we're going with for now. It's a bit low, but pretty decent. We'll see how it goes. Might have to raise it up again, but for now it'll do. Give the engine bay a nice little clean. Looking tasty again. And these are the plates. Ran into some issues here with the reinforcement plate. It wasn't fitting with these adjusting nuts, so my angle grinder gave up as well. So I wasn't able to cut them up to suit. So we'll just have to wait until I get the new strut brace. I've been trying to get them from Dusan Strut Works in Serbia, but the customs in Ireland, great bunch of lads, kept sending it back because of incorrect tariff codes, and they're very particular these days. So it's a bit of a pain in the hole at the moment, but me and Dusan are currently working on it to see what tariff codes we can use to get the braces into Ireland. So that should hopefully help everybody else as well in the community that wants those. But that's what it's looking like at the moment. Pretty happy. She's looking well. She's a bit of a 10-footer to be fair. It's not perfect, right? Blemishes here and there, and that are just still bubbling. And the this side's the worst. But I have got a guy lined up to spray this up. There's bubbling going on in there, so there's a couple of spots like that I want to get sorted this season round. So yeah, other than that, she is looking pretty good. I'm happy with the ride height, and this is what she's like now. So look, lads, I appreciate you guys joining it again, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give your boy a chance, right? And I'll see you in the next one when we hopefully fit the rear strut brace. I have one sitting in the house for a while now, so it would be nice to get that one in at least. Make another bit of content for you guys. So I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.